Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how I signed up and got approved in Hostinger affiliate program. Before I start this tutorial, I want to let you know that I have experience with Hostinger affiliate program. And if I go to the conversion report and select the last month, as you can see, I successfully got 6 conversions. And if I go to the last 6 months, for example, I was able to make 26 conversions. So I know what I'm talking about. So the first step, go to hostinger.com website, then scroll down and look for affiliate program. This is it. Below information, click on affiliate program. Now click on this access affiliate program button. But before that, I saw that lately they lowered the commission percentage to 40%. Personally, I get 60%. So before clicking on become an affiliate, make sure to which commission rate you will get into. Click on become an affiliate. I think it's the same thing as access affiliate program. I need to log out from my account. After clicking this access affiliate platform, you will be redirected to this page. Now below don't have an account yet, click on partner sign up. And as you can see, there are 4 steps to complete your partner sign up. First, fill in your company name, Ben's Experience. My website is bensexperience.com. For the address, I will go with Ben address. Here you need to fill in a correct address, the country, the state, the zip code, and your phone number. The tax ID field is optional. Click on check the option of cookie consent and hit next. I forgot this city. I live in Ben's city. The second step is about the user details. Here fill in your first name, last name. Title is optional. Here fill in your email address. Experience. Here you need to fill in a strong password that you can always remember. Your password should be between 8 and 16 characters, at least one uppercase letter, at least one lowercase letter, and either a number or a special character. Refill your password here, click on next. And this is the important step to sign up in Hostinger account. What is your main channel to promote Hostinger brands? Here I recommend you to go with YouTube. Please provide the URLs where you're planning to promote Hostinger brand. List all channels. Personally, I've signed up to Hostinger affiliate program with my YouTube channel. I had only, I think around 60 or 100 of Hostinger tutorials. So the number of subscribers that was not close to, I think it was around 300 subscribers. Personally, I recommend you to sign up with a YouTube channel that have tutorials around web hosting, digital marketing, SEO. You need to record fast videos in order to get some authority online. After that, fill in your channel name here like that, and which product you are going to promote. This is not important, but I recommend you to go with website builder because it's their latest product, and they still need promotion for this product. How many visitors/views does your website receive on average month? Let's say you get 30 views per day, for example, or let's say 100 views per day. Yes, it's easy to get this number of views. 100 views per day times 30 days. I think it's 3,000. So fill in here 3,000. I'm not sure why this is this is added. I understand that Hostinger does not allow pay-per-click / impression advertising, cookie insertion impersonating Hostinger, and remains the right to suspend my affiliate account / commission if I use such methods. The pay-per-click or impression advertising means you are not allowed to pay Google or Facebook, for example, in order to get clicks to your Hostinger affiliate link. And impersonating Hostinger means that you should not look like the official channel or website of Hostinger. If you are applying with your blog domain name should not have, for example, should not have the Hostinger trademark in it, or you should distinguish yourself from the official Hostinger website. Yes, I understand. I understand that the minimum payout threshold via PayPal is $100 and 3 approved conversions each time. Yes, I understand. I read the affiliate program agreement. Here you need to read it, and I recommend you to read it in order to know what you agree to. It is simple. You can skip to the interesting section and read it carefully. Yes, I've read it. What makes you a great fit to become a partner of Hostinger? Here you can write something. For example, I have experience of 15 years working online, and I also teach digital marketing, and I already use Hostinger web hosting and website builder for more than 2 years. I think we need to add something like and I love the product. After this experience, I saw that Hostinger merits or deserve my promotion. Yes, something similar to that. Now click on next. Now the last step is agreeing to the privacy policy, terms and conditions, and I hereby consent to allow the use of my company information, including sharing with third party and so on. Click on I'm not a robot and hit sign up. I don't want to complete this sign up because I already have an account with them. What I recommend you to do here: first, you need to have a little bit of authority. To have this authority, you need to publish quick YouTube videos. It's simple. YouTube is free. If you are shy with YouTube, personally, I started with muted videos. If you go to my oldest videos, as you can see, and my videos were short. As you can see, I didn't show my face or my voice. All my videos were muted. As you can see, just to get a little bit of views and apply to Hostinger affiliate program. This little authority helps you a lot. If even with this authority they didn't accept your application, it's simple. Just look for the Hostinger affiliate email address and write them a message. This step is what I did personally with many web hosting affiliate programs that they declined my application. Directly after this email message, they asked me for my affiliate ID and they went and accepted my application, because they received, or the affiliate managers, they receive lots of requests. When you contact them directly, they see that you are serious, and this distinguishes you from the rest. First, let's look for the Hostinger affiliate email. What I did personally is that I was sending emails to affiliates at thecompany.name.com. And in many occasions, this was their working affiliate email address. Now let's go to my Gmail inbox to share with you my email messages. As you see, I've already contacted or used this method to contact Squarespace, HostGator, A2 Hosting, Name Hero, HostGator, SiteGround, InMotion. InMotion started replied to me, same thing with SiteGround. This is GoDaddy. This is Name Hero, Squarespace. Now let's see the SiteGround email. Hey SiteGround team, I hope this message find you well. I'm reaching out because I've been a huge fan of SiteGround for quite some time now. As a YouTuber and blogger passionate about WordPress and web hosting, I've always admired the quality and innovation you bring to the web hosting. I ran a YouTube channel called Ben's Experience. This is the link, and blog over at my audience is all about discovering the latest and greatest in WordPress and web hosting, and I believe that SiteGround products could really resonate with them. I'd love to explore the possibility of collaborating with SiteGround, whether it's through product reviews, sponsored content, or affiliate partnerships. I'm committed to creating authentic and engaging content that showcases the value of your products while providing real value to my audience. Let's chat about how we can work together to make some magic happen. I'm flexible and open to discussing any ideas or requirements you may have. Your brand aligns perfectly with what I stand for, and I truly believe this partnership will be a game changer for both of us. Looking forward to hearing best regard and your name. Now let's read their reply. Hi, my name. Thank you for contacting us and for your interest in our brand. We are unable to sponsor content, but we can offer you a partnership in our affiliate program where you will earn commissions for referring new clients on our way. Feel free to submit an application through our website and you will receive a reply within 2 days. Thank you for understanding, and let us know if there is anything else we can assist you with. Just like that, I've secured an affiliate partnership account with SiteGround. So if Hostinger didn't reply in the next 7 days, just email them at affiliates@hostinger.com. And after that, you will get these commissions. And this is how to sign up and get approved in Hostinger affiliate program. If you're interested with earning affiliate commissions from Hostinger or other affiliate programs, I already have an online course where I described in details how much or how I did it. This is the information or the videos or the content of the first chapter. This is the second chapter. As you can see, I've explained everything in details and clearly. This is the fourth chapter. I've explained every detail and how to work on YouTube, how to record videos, how to make thumbnails, what type of content you need to create, and so on. And I also add a free bonuses with this course, and you can get instant access to this course if you pay just $47. Click on join now. A new window pops up and fill in your payment information. And of course, I give a 30-day money-back guarantee if you are not fully satisfied. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.